Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to start new block 10, organ systems of our body. Organ systems of our body. What is organ? What is organ? Yes, organs are the part of our body. Organs are the part of our body. Part of our body. We know our body is made up of different parts with different organs, different body parts are there. Okay, so organs are the part of our body. We know there are two types of organs are there. Which are two types of organ? Yes, internal organs and external organs, right? Organs are two types. We know internal organs and external organs. So we know internal organs are inside our body. Internal organs are inside our body and external organs are outside our body, right? External organs are outside of our body. Outside our body, right? But internal organs are inside our body. Inside our body. We know which are the examples of internal organs. Yes, we know stomach, lungs, heart, brain, our bones, joints, all are the examples of internal organs. Examples for external organs, yes, the organs outside our body, our arms, legs, our nose, eyes, okay, eyes, nose, all are the eyes, nose, then our ears, okay, these all are some examples for external organs. So what is organs? Everybody understood, right? Organs are the part of our body. Organs are the part of our body. Then which are the different types of organs? Internal organs and external organs. Internal organs are inside our body. External organs are outside our body. Examples for internal organs: lungs, heart, then stomach, okay, brain. You can write many examples which are the organs inside our body are examples of internal organs. Then examples for external organs: eyes, nose, then our arms, legs, okay, so many are there. You can find the organs outside our body, that all are the examples for external organs. Okay, now we can discuss what is organ system. Okay, what is organ system? Yes, organ system consists of a group of organs that work together. To do some special function, that is called organ system. So what is organ system? Organ is a part of our body, right? Then organ system consists of group of organs that work together to do some special function. Okay, so organ system is a group of organs that work together to do some special function. Okay, that is organ system. So what is organ system? Organ system is a group of organs that work together to do some special work or special function. See children, for example, skeletal system of our body. Example is skeletal system. We already studied skeleton, right children? Our skeleton is made up of bones, joints, all we studied. So skeletal system is an example for organ system. Okay, then many other organ systems are there that we are going to discuss now. So our body is made up of different organs. These all organs work together. All these organ systems work together to function our body properly. Okay, so if anything happen to any organ systems in our body, then it will affect our whole body. Okay, so organ system is a group of organs that work together. Group of organs work together to do some special functions or special work. For example, skeletal system. So organ system is a group of organs that work together to do some special work. So examples for organ system. Our body is made up of different organ systems. So now we can discuss what are the organ systems. Okay. First one, it is digestive system. First one, it is digestive system. Digestive system is one organ system. Okay. Second one, it is respiratory system. Respiratory system. Respiratory system is the second one. Third one, it is circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Fourth one, it is excretory system. Excretory system. Excretory system. And fifth one, it is nervous system. Nervous system. These are the some of the organ systems in our body. Okay, so all these organ systems work together to function our body properly. If anything happen to any organ system in our body, then our body will not function properly. Okay, different organs are there for this each organ system. So we studied organ system is a group of organ. So digestive system is a organ system, right? So this digestive system work with the help of many organs. Which are the organs work together to do digestive system? Yes, our mouth, food pipe, then our food reaches to the stomach. From the stomach, food will digest, and small intestine, large intestine, rectum. These are the some organs of digestive system. Like that way, each organ system have some organs that work together to do this function. Okay, so example for organ systems are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, and nervous system. These all are some new words for you, so you have to study the spellings, children. So first one, madam will just say what are the functions of each system. Okay, so first one, digestive system. Digestive system help to digest the food we eat. Okay, the food we eat is digesting from our stomach, right? Many organs work together to digest the food we eat. Okay, so digestive system help to digest the food we eat. Digest food we eat. That is the function of digestive system. Okay, then second one, it is respiratory system. So respiratory system help us to breathe. Okay, respiratory system help us to breathe. Okay, so what is the function of respiratory system? Respiratory system help us to breathe. So many organs are helping us to breathe. Yes, we breathe through our nose. It go through windpipe. Windpipe is there. Larynx is there. Then after it reaches to the lungs. So many organs are helping for respiratory system. Okay, so respiratory system help us to breathe. Next, circulatory system. Circulatory system carry the digested food, water, and oxygen in the blood to different part of our body. Okay, so circulatory system help us to circulate blood. So this digested food, oxygen, water, everything is carried by blood to all part of our body. It is so circulatory system help us to circulate the blood to all part of our body. Okay. Then next, many organs are there for circulatory system also. Heart, heart pumping blood, then veins and arteries also there. So these are the some organs help to circulatory system. Okay. Next one, it is excretory system. Excretory system help to excrete the waste. Whatever the food we eat, it digests from our stomach. Then we know waste we are sent out, isn't it? So excretory system help to excrete the waste. Excrete the waste. We are excreting the waste as liquid and liquid form also, right? We are passing urine and we sweat. This all are the some waste we are passing out. Okay, so excretory waste help to excrete the waste. So kidneys, then urethra, like that. So many organs are helping in excretory system also. Okay, next one, it is nervous system. Nervous system is the most important system that control and coordinate all other systems of organ systems of our body. So anything happen to our nervous system, then it cannot control all other organ systems of our body. Okay, so what is the function of nervous system? Nervous system control and coordinate. Control and coordinate all organ systems. Okay, all organ systems. Then so see children, so brain, spinal cord. Okay, these all are the some organs of nervous system. So see, these are the important organ systems in our body. So organ is a part of our body. That organs work together for do some special function that are called organ system. So for digestive system, many organs work together to do digestion in our body. So then only digestion will take place. Digestive system help to digest the food we eat. Respiratory system help to breathe. Then circulatory system circulate blood. That means the digested food, water, oxygen, everything is carried through the blood to different part of our body. It is done through circulatory system. Then excretory system excrete the waste we eat. Okay, nervous system control other all organ systems of our body. These are the different organ systems of our body. Okay, so now we have to do the workbook. Yes, what is an organ? Where we can find internal organs? Give some examples. What is an organ? Yes, organ is a part of our body. Organ is a part of our body. Part of our body. Organ is a part of our body. Then second question, where can we find the internal organs? Internal organs are inside our body. Okay, internal organs are inside our body. Okay, inside our body. One more question is there, right? One more question. Examples for internal organs. Give some examples of internal organs. So we can write examples. Examples, heart, lungs. Okay, which are the organs inside our body? We can write the examples for internal organ. So you can write heart, lungs. 2 examples enough. Second question. How is an organ system different from an organ? Name any 2 organ systems in our body and name their organs. Okay, so first question, how is organ system different from organ? So we already studied organ is a part of our body, right? So first we can write organ is a part of our body. Organ is a part of our body. Then, how it is different from organ system? Organ system consists of group of organs that work together. Okay, so you can write organ system consists of Group of organs. Group of organs work together. Work together to do some special function. Okay. To do some special function. Some special function. Okay. That is the difference between organ and organ system. Next, we have two more questions. Name any two organ systems in our body and name their organs. So, we can write two examples. First one we can write digestive system. Digestive system is one example of organ system. Okay. Then, second example we can give respiratory system. Respiratory system. Respiratory system. Then we have to write some of the organs of this digestive system. So we can write only one or two organs of digestive system and respiratory system. So we can write here digestive system. One organ we will write. Okay, stomach we can write. Stomach we can write. You can write all the organs, children, stomach, food pipe, mouth, stomach, food pipe, large intestine, small intestine, rectum. So many organs are there. I wrote only one because we do not have that much space here to write more. Okay. So digestive system, stomach we can give. Respiratory system we can give lungs. Lungs and nose also. Nose, lungs. Okay. Then here if you want you can write mouth also. Okay, mouth, stomach, all we can give. So these are the some organs for digestive system and respiratory system. Then third question. What would happen if the stomach tried to do the work of the heart? Yes, if the stomach tried to do the work of heart, what happened? That is the question. So we know stomach is a part of digestive system. Stomach help to digest the food we eat, right? Then but heart help to pump the blood. That is the function of heart. So that means circulatory system. It is the organ of circulatory system. Okay. So what would happen if the stomach tried to do the work of the heart? So we know the food we eat will not digest, isn't it? If the stomach tried to do the work of the heart, then the food we eat will not digest. The food will mix with the blood. The food will mix with the blood and our body cannot function properly. Okay. So how can we write the answer? The food we eat. The food, if the stomach tried to do the work of heart, the food we eat will not digest. The food we eat will not digest. Then what happened? Yes, the food will mix with the blood. The food will mix with blood and our body cannot function properly. And our body cannot function properly. Okay, this is the answer. Now everybody take your textbook. We can discuss practice questions. Okay, so practice question. First one we can do match the following. Match the organ to the organ system. Okay, that we stomach which system? Yes, digestive system. Stomach, digestive system. Second one lungs, respiratory system. Same one only, respiratory system. Third one brain, nervous system. Brain, nervous system. Kidney, excretory system. Kidneys, excretory system. Heart, circulatory system. Heart, circulatory system. Madam, I will teach you in detail about each system. Then you can easily understand all the organs. Okay. Now you just mark it. Stomach. Yes, stomach it is. Digestive system. Lungs, respiratory system. Same. Brain, nervous system. Kidney, excretory system. Heart heart circulatory system. Then second question, are the eyes one of the organs of our body? Why? Yes, eyes are the organs of our body because it helps us to see. Isn't it? It helps us to see. It do some special function. Organs are the part of our body, right? It do some special work. So eye is a part of our are the eyes one of the organs of our body? Why? Yes, eyes are the organs of our body because it helps us to see. Define organ system. What special function does our skeletal system perform? Organ system is a group of organs that work together to do some special function. Okay, what special function does our skeletal system perform? A skeletal system give shape to our body, support to our body, it protect our internal organs. Like that way many functions we studied. So you can write it give support to our body and it help us to move. Okay, skeletal system gives support to our body and it help us to move. So these are the questions you have to write. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.